Hello guys. Today I'll show you how to easily change the color of a car in Photoshop, a very simple and effective method. First of all, go to your layer settings, then go hue saturation, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Now move this picker icon to the car area. Once the hue saturation panel opens, enable the colorize option at the bottom. Now, drag the hue slider left or right to change the color of the car. You can also adjust the saturation to make the color more vibrant or softer, and use lightness to make it brighter or darker. And adjust the sliders until you get your desired color. Now click OK and your car color has been changed perfectly.